In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a member in Monday.com. Sometimes you need to tidy up your workspace and remove people who no longer need access, like former teammates or test accounts. Doing this in Monday.com is actually very quick, but it does require you to know exactly where to click, so let's walk through it together step by step. First, open your Monday.com account and make sure you're in the correct workspace or main board where that member exists. It's always a good idea to double check you're in the right place, especially if you manage multiple teams or projects. Next, look for the option to manage your team or invite people. In most layouts, you'll see an invite button or link near the top of the screen, often close to your profile area or near the board title. Go ahead and click on that invite option. This is the same area you'd normally use to add new members, but it's also where you can view and manage existing ones. Once the invite window or panel opens, you should see a list of the people who currently have access. This list usually shows their names and sometimes their roles or email addresses, depending on how your account is set up. Take a moment to carefully scan through that list so you can identify the exact member you want to remove. Make sure it's the correct person, because removing someone will typically revoke their access to that board or workspace. When you find the member you want to remove, look to the right side of their name. You should see a small X icon next to that user. This X is your remove button. Move your cursor over to that X and click it. Monday.com may ask you to confirm that you really want to remove this member, especially if they're an important part of the board or have specific permissions. If a confirmation message appears, read it carefully, then click to confirm. After confirming, that user should disappear from the list of members. That's your sign that they've been successfully removed. If you don't see them anymore, you're done. If they still appear, try refreshing the page and checking again, just to be sure the change has gone through. And that's all there is to it. By clicking on invite and then using the X beside the user's name, you can quickly remove members and keep your Monday.com workspace clean, secure, and up to date.